If your face and body skin is dull and not fresh, if you have dead skin and need an exfoliator that does not harm your skin, if the sagging and loose skin on your face and neck has lowered your self-confidence, if you're tired of your aging and wrinkled skin, if you have a lot of spots on your hands, face, and neck and you don't like it, if you are unhappy with the darkness under your armpits, around your neck, and under your eyes, if you want beautiful and youthful skin, this video is for you. Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. I have a new recipe for you that is unique and meets all the needs of the first video that was raised and met. Please, if you are not a member of the channel yet, first become a member of the Healthy Lifestyle and Natural Skin Routine channel and watch the rest of the video. In this recipe we need 10 almonds to get the skin on the almonds. Pour some warm water. The almond skin comes off easily. The first item in the recipe is almond youth and collagen. So, almonds have many properties for skin and hair. I will explain to you. You will be surprised. What is important is why most masks and entire skin routines in Asia contain cucumber in their recipes. My name is Sharon, a herbalist and over 2 decades of research in the field of recipes, masks, and creams. I would like to explain the reason for cucumber scientifically. Cucumber, with its cooling and moist nature, is one of the best natural ingredients that helps our skin in the summer season. This fruit, which is actually 96% water, not only helps to cool the body, but can also act as a powerful moisturizer. The vitamins in cucumber, including vitamins A, C, K, and E, help to nourish and strengthen the skin. The most important properties of cucumber for the skin: white, heavy check mark, excellent hydration of the skin, white, heavy check mark, freshness and beauty of the skin, white, heavy check mark, maintaining moisture and youthfulness of the skin, white, heavy check mark, relieve skin. Fatigue, white, heavy check mark, closes open pores, white, heavy check mark, reduces bruising around the eyes, white, heavy check mark, eliminates puffiness around the eyes, white, heavy check mark, helps treat cellulite, white, heavy check mark, reduces wrinkles on the skin. White, heavy check mark, brightens the skin, white, heavy check mark, treats sunburns, helps with puffy eyes. With cucumber, we have all had the experience of waking up with puffy eyes. Cucumbers can be your best friend in these situations. The minerals in cucumbers help reduce puffiness and swelling under the eyes. Just place 2 cucumber slices on your eyes and rest for a few minutes. This action, in addition to hydrating the skin, also helps you relax. Of course, don't forget to use special eye creams. Cucumber for sunburned skin. If your skin has been exposed to direct sunlight and has developed a sunburn, cucumber can help improve its condition. With the cooling properties of cucumber, you can reduce the heat and redness of the skin. Using masks containing cucumber and mint can help heal burns quickly. Cucumber, natural toner for open pores. Open pores can affect your appearance. Cucumber, with its natural properties, helps close these pores. Combining cucumber with ingredients such as apple cider vinegar and lemon can be a strong toner to improve open pores. Fighting cellulite. With the help of cucumber, cellulite is one of the skin problems that many people struggle with. These subcutaneous fats press against the surface of the skin, making it uneven and like orange peel. According to a review by the Cheesure website, cucumber helps combat this problem by containing plant substances such as phytochemicals, which are effective in producing skin collagen. Skin rejuvenation with the power of cucumber water. Water is one of the most important factors for skin health and vitality. Cucumbers, with their high water content, help maintain skin moisture and youthfulness. By using cucumber masks, you can give your skin more vitality and shine. Cucumber for dark circles and bruising under the eyes can indicate dehydration or fatigue. Cucumbers, with their antioxidants and silica, help brighten this area and reduce bruising. Regular use of cucumbers can help improve the condition of the eyes and maintain their youthfulness. Natural moisturizer for the skin around the eyes. The skin around the eyes is more sensitive and prone to cracking and wrinkles due to its thinness. Cucumbers, with their vitamins and strong moisturizing properties, help maintain the elasticity and youthfulness of this area. Regular use of cucumbers can help reduce wrinkles and brighten the skin around the eyes. Conclusion: benefits of cucumber for skin. Cucumber is one of the fruits that, with its many properties, contributes to the health and beauty of the skin. From its natural cooling effect in hot seasons to its strong hydrating properties, cucumber helps to strengthen and refresh the skin. The vitamins and minerals in it help to nourish the skin, while plant substances such as phytochemicals help to produce collagen and rejuvenate the skin. Cucumber is also effective in combating skin problems such as cellulite, dark circles under the eyes, and wrinkles. Considering all these properties, regular use of cucumber can be one of the best and most effective ways to have healthy and beautiful skin. The antifungal mask I am sharing with you is incredible. It will eliminate all toenail and fingernail fungus, itching, and unpleasant odor from your toes in just a few hours. One of the toughest bacteria and fungi is found in the foot area, and this amazing recipe is just the answer. It works 100%, and the treatment is done. The method of use is that you should apply it between your fingers and massage it, then apply a foot cream, and finally wear socks. The hot season has arrived, and the heels of most women and men have excessive fungus or dryness. This foot mask works wonders. Treatment of nail fungus and bacteria on the toes. Hydrates and brightens the skin of the feet, treats dryness and cracks and fungus, heals, eliminates unpleasant odor of the toes, is anti-inflammatory and treats swelling of the feet and increases blood circulation, so we can say that it reduces foot pain. By continuing to apply the mask at least 3 times a week and tapping the heels on the ground, there is also a definitive treatment for heel spurs. Friends, have you ever had heel spurs? Has there been a cure? Unfortunately, the pain of heel spurs reduces daily activity. Inability to walk and tingling in the soles of the feet are very annoying. The treatment for heel spurs is not chemical pills or injections into the heels. The main treatment for heel spurs is just pounding the soles of the feet and heels on the ground and using this mask at least 3 times a week. Please take foot, sole, and heel pains seriously. Symptoms of other diseases start with pain in the feet. Second recipe: almond collagen and rejuvenating and lifting cream. This mask is thousands of years old. The past and generations ago, it was one of the most important creams that people used for the beauty and health of the skin. This is the recipe. There is a miracle in beauty, using almonds, rice, and honey together in a cream or mask. Amazing properties and benefits of almonds and almond oil. This fruit is good for skin, hair, and health. We have all heard that almonds have good beauty properties and nutritional benefits, but what can make the skin more beautiful? Very few people know about the skin benefits of almonds. While almonds are known in Asian countries as a skin and hair enhancer and have been recommended for skin and hair beauty for many years, this is not the only important part of the properties of almonds and their oil, as this fruit is also used for overall health. Have you ever used almond oil for your skin? Almond oil is an important moisturizer because it contains linoleic acid glycerides. It is used to prevent acne as well as dry skin. It also provides the necessary vitamin E for radiant skin. It acts as a mild antiseptic for wounds and is also used as a massage oil for growing children to help their muscles grow. Almonds protect the skin from the sun. Almonds contain high amounts of vitamin E, which is a good nutrient for the skin. Foods rich in vitamin E act as a protector against the sun and minimize skin damage. Almond milk can be used effectively in treating sunburns and other skin problems. Aromatherapy massage oil. The oil extracted from almonds is also used as an aromatherapy oil, beauty gel for body massage. Almond oil is suitable for all skin types because it is easily absorbed into the skin and has a wonderful, soothing aroma. It nourishes the skin and makes it healthy from within. Next, it is a natural moisturizer. Almonds are considered a natural moisturizer. and they can easily do the job of chemical moisturizers. Clean your face thoroughly and apply a few drops of oil on your face. Then, massage your skin. Avoid using the oil on oily skin areas and around the eyes. Treat acne, blackheads, and whiteheads. Skin problems like acne, blackheads, and whiteheads are often caused by dirt and oil that get trapped in the pores of the skin. The essential fatty acids in almonds control the amount of oil secreted by the skin glands. Almond oil soothes skin inflammation and itching, reduces dark circles and puffiness under the eyes. Almond oil and its crushed form are very effective in treating dark circles under the eyes. Soak almonds in water until they soften, then apply it around your eyes and let it stay overnight. The moisturizing properties of almonds reduce dark circles and puffiness under the eyes. Anti-aging properties. Almonds are believed to have anti-aging properties. Massaging your face with almond oil removes the signs of aging on the skin and helps in rejuvenation. To prepare a face mask, mix honey, almond oil, and lemon juice in equal quantities and use this simple face mask twice a week to reduce wrinkles and revitalize the skin. Cleanses the skin of impurities. Exfoliation is very important for skincare. You can use almonds to make an amazing, pure scrub. Crush almonds and add 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of yogurt to it. Massage this mixture onto your skin and use it as an exfoliant. Essential fatty acids maintaining moisture in almonds for the skin. Almonds contain fatty acids that are very useful for keeping the skin soft, which plays a role in hydrating the skin, strengthening skin health. Almonds for the skin. Due to the presence of fatty acids, play an important role in strengthening the protective layers of the skin and help to maintain skin health by taking care of it. Skin repair and regeneration. This nutritious nut helps repair and regenerate damaged and dead skin cells and prevents skin cancer. Benefits of almonds for skin beauty, reducing wrinkles. By consuming these wonderful nuts, you can prevent premature aging of the face and also be safe from facial wrinkles and ensure the health of your skin. If you are also looking for a solution for beauty at any age, we suggest that you never forget to consume these unique nuts daily. Reducing blemishes and dark spots. Due to its beneficial properties, almonds can remove all blemishes on the skin and lighten them. One way to take care of your skin is to use natural food sources, and almonds are one of the best foods to achieve beautiful and youthful skin, even out skin tone. Using almond oil on the skin helps to even out skin tone. Protection against environmental damage, protecting the skin from the sun. Vitamin E in almonds acts as a protective layer against sunlight for the skin, thus easily preventing sunburn and skin cancer. Protection against pollution. Almonds contain vitamins and antioxidants that are beneficial for the body, and consuming them throughout the day protects the skin from environmental pollution. How to use almonds for skincare use as a moisturizer. You can use this oil as a powerful moisturizer and excellent emollient for the skin. The healing properties of almonds are available in various ways, one of the most common of which is almond oil. I am obsessed with almonds and almond oil, which is the effect of almonds themselves. Let me explain how to make a collagen cream, rejuvenating and lifting the neck and face. First, we peeled 10 raw almonds with the help of warm water. Save the video for now. First, send it to friends who have foot pain and have difficulty doing their daily tasks. Then, send it to people who are very upset because no matter what they do, the unpleasant and annoying smell of their feet and toes does not go away. I told you the definitive treatment. You, the audience of this video, do your best and send it to people whose problem was the same. Continued description of the cream recipe. Cut 10 peeled almonds into smaller pieces, add 3 tablespoons of cucumber juice, and mix 3 tablespoons of coconut milk. And the next step is to wash 2 tablespoons of rice and pour the first water for the plants. I recommend that you do not use the first water from washing the rice because it is sprayed with pesticides and is harmful to humans. After washing the rice twice, add 2 tablespoons of washed rice to the mixture of crushed almonds, cucumber juice, and coconut milk. Blend the mixture with a blender. The almonds and rice are completely crushed and mashed. The mixture is relatively smooth, which is enough. The next step is to add 1 tablespoon of mountain honey and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. If coconut milk is not available to you, you can replace coconut oil with a teaspoon of shea butter. The last step is to make a bain-marie of the mixture. We put all the ingredients of the cream in a glass container and put it in a pot and put a cloth under it and pour a little water until the water reaches the middle of the cream glass. We give it about 10 minutes to prepare over low heat. Then we let it cool down a little and use it. We should keep it in the refrigerator, and the use time is 1 week. Use it every day and apply it to clean skin. Use this cream at night before going to bed. Let it stay for half an hour. Then wash it with lukewarm water and use your usual moisturizer. After a week of use, you won't believe what kind of skin you have. Transparent, firm, radiant, bright, white, even and wrinkle-free. Removes dark circles under the eyes and neck, etc. Ladies and gentlemen, I have good news for you that the area around the private area, which has become dark due to shaving and using a razor to remove unwanted hair, will become completely white, just like in childhood. Exactly as it was before shaving the private area. The last one is excellent, and all ladies and gentlemen were looking for something like this. Pour the remaining cucumber juice into a spray bottle and spray it on your face once a day. The oil is very strong. I will tell you the instructions for the antifungal mask and treatment of cracked and dry heels and soles at the end of the video. The pulp of 1 cucumber, 1 tablespoon of rose water, 1 tablespoon of coffee, 1 teaspoon of sweet almond oil, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of shea butter, 1 tablespoon of white alum. Mix everything and I will leave the instructions for use. Hope to see you again.